Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. Ford have unveiled their new generation 2022 Ford Ranger pickup featuring a bolder design, more interior technology, full-time four-wheel drive, a V6 turbo diesel option, and a plug-in hybrid-ready architecture. First of all, in terms of design, this new Ranger shares Ford's global truck design DNA, making it appear like a mini F-Series. The front fascia features a mesh inlaid grille, C-shaped signature daytime running lights, muscular wheel arches, and the bull bar-like elements on the front bumper. Along with the muscular wheel arches, the sides of the new Ranger have also been more sculpted, featuring strong yet smooth lines. At the rear, this new pickup also features the bold Ranger branding embossed into the tailgate. And yes, then there are the signature LED tail lamps. Talking about the basics, this new Ranger is based on an updated version of the existing T6 platform, and almost all variants of the Ranger except for the Raptor will still retain rear leaf springs. That said, apart from the 50mm longer wheelbase and the 50mm wider track, the rear suspension dampers have been moved outboard of the frame rails in order to provide better ride comfort. Next up, coming to the interior, here's where the new Ranger is completely all new. While being more spacious than before, the overall design, materials and technology have been significantly updated, providing features such as a fully digital instrument cluster, a portrait-style 12-inch center touchscreen system, which also provides Sync 4 operating system with informal voice command function, a 360-degree surround view camera with off-road modes for blind spots, along with Ford's Co-Pilot 360 advanced driver assistance systems. Other significant features include a power-adjustable driver seat with heating or ventilation for the front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, automatic LED headlamps and rain-sensing wipers, and interior ambient mode lighting. The new Ranger also offers an embedded factory-fitted Ford Pass Connect modem, allowing connectivity options through the Ford Pass app, availing features such as remote engine start-stop, vehicle status and diagnostics, along with remote lock and unlock. This Ford Pass Connect also includes the zone lighting function, which basically illuminates the surrounding areas of the car. As a part of the interior update, Ford has also introduced a new E-shifter for the transmission selector, which is far more higher tech and less space consuming compared to the traditional gear lever. The new Ford Ranger will come with various engine options, starting with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost petrol engine, mated to a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic gearbox. The diesel range, on the other hand, starts from a 2-liter 4-cylinder single-turbo unit mated to a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. There will also be an updated version of the 2-liter bi-turbo diesel engine mated to the 10-speed automatic gearbox. Apart from all these engine options, Ford has also introduced a new 3-liter turbocharged V6 diesel capable of producing up to 600 Nm of maximum torque. The Ford Ranger will be available as 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, with the 4-wheel drive versions also having the option of an electronic shift on the fly or a full-time 4-wheel drive system. This new 2022 Ford Ranger will be first built at Ford's plants in Thailand and South Africa beginning early next year. The next generation Ford Everest or the Endeavour 7-seat SUV is also likely to be based on the same next generation Ranger pickup. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the all-new Ranger pickup. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.